Take a second to look around. What do you see? Water bottles, coffee cups, straws? Every day we use and dispose of plastic items without giving it a second thought. Do you ever take that extra second to choose to recycle your plastic waste instead of throwing it subconsciously into the trash or the street? Statistics show that 79% of our plastic waste ends up in a landfill, with another 10% ending up in our oceans. Only an average of 9% of plastic is properly recycled. If we continue on this path without taking our planet into consideration, garbage will pile up, landfills will increase, greenhouse gas will increase, fossil fuels disappear sooner, and natural resources diminish. At this rate, we're slowly killing the wildlife in our ecosystem. And why? Because we can't take the time to properly get rid of plastic? So tell me, is saving 5 seconds of your time worth destroying our planet?